Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable meta pixel tracking inside Webflow and Softr. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable meta pixel tracking inside Webflow and Softr, start by logging into your Meta Business Suite account. Navigate to the Events Manager section. Click on the Data Sources tab, then select Pixels. If you don't have a pixel yet, click the Add button to create a new pixel. Follow the prompts to name your pixel and enter your website URL. Once your pixel is created, you'll see the pixel ID. Copy this pixel ID to your clipboard for later use. Next, log into your Webflow account. Select the project where you want to implement the meta pixel. Go to the project settings, then click on the Custom Code tab. In the head code section, paste your pixel code. Make sure to include the pixel base code, adding your pixel ID where indicated. Save the changes and then publish your Webflow site. Now, shift to your Softr account. Open the project where you want to set up meta pixel tracking. Navigate to the Settings section within your Softr project. Locate the Tracking and Analytics area. Here, you will find a field to input your meta pixel code. Paste the entire pixel base code you copied earlier into this field. Click on the Save button to confirm your changes. After saving, make sure to publish your Softr application to ensure the pixel is active. Use the Pixel Helper Chrome extension to verify that your pixel is firing correctly. If the pixel is correctly set up, you should see successful tracking events. Monitor your events in the Meta Events Manager to ensure accurate data collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.